In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change a drive letter or reassign it on your Windows computer. So it's pretty easy to do, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to type in Disk Management. One of the best managers should say Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. You want to left click on that one time. Okay, so let's say for example this new volume E, let's say I want to change the name of that. All I'm going to do is right click on it, left click on change drive letter and paths. Now you want to left click on change right here. Where it says assign the following drive letter, left click inside the drop down menu right next to it, and then select the letter that's currently in the list. That means it's not being used. Then left click on OK. You might get a pop up from Disk Management, left click on yes, and then you can see the volume has been changed to the K drive. And again, this will work for just about any letter, again, if it's not in use. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.